The woman pushed a log into the water. As she felt the icy lake water, she clutched the log and swiftly swam toward the center of the lake. Once she confirmed the general direction, she dove deep beneath the surface, where surprisingly, a sunken airplane lay at the bottom. She retrieved several packages from it and quickly swam back up to the surface. Just as she was about to swim back to shore with the supplies, she suddenly noticed a brown bear had appeared at the campsite. With its keen sense of smell, the bear had found the woman's small stash of food. Faced with the massive beast, Anna, still in the lake, was powerless. But just then, the bear seemed to notice something else and walked straight toward Sam, who was lying motionless nearby. Seeing this, Anna desperately splashed the water, trying to draw the bear's attention, but it ignored her and slowly approached Sam. Fortunately, after realizing Sam no longer had any signs of life, the bear lost interest in feeding and quietly walked away. Only then did Anna breathe a sigh of relief. After returning to shore, the woman immediately checked the items in the package, only to find nothing useful, just a bunch of worthless papers. Afterward, she dragged Sam's lifeless body to a patch of relatively soft soil and buried him. But this was no time to grieve. Looking at the bag full of paper, Anna took the glasses from the package and used the burning paper as a starter to successfully light a campfire, rekindling the last bit of hope in her heart. To survive in the wild, the first priority was water. Although the stream nearby was snowmelt from the mountains, the presence of countless animal droppings meant the water was teeming with bacteria. Anna had no choice but to venture back into the forest to find a solution. After only a few steps, she found some metal scraps. She shaped them using a stone, placed them in the fire to boil the stream water, thus solving her most urgent need. Next came the challenge of finding food. Though a person can survive for nearly a month on water alone, Anna knew her chances of being found in this remote wilderness were close to zero. She had to start preparing for long-term survival. After a few attempts, she realized catching fish by hand was impossible. So she used an earring as a hook and tied it to a stick with cotton thread, crafting a simple fishing rod. Soon a fish took the bait, but the fragile thread couldn't withstand the force. With no other choice, Anna headed back into the forest, and it seemed this forest was her lucky place. Anna discovered a large number of blueberries. After a full meal, she carefully stored the leftovers in a bottle, then returned to the woods to collect more. Just then, it started to rain heavily. As if struck by inspiration, Anna returned to her camp, used empty bottles to collect rainwater, and took shelter in her makeshift tent, quietly waiting for the storm to pass.